Stevie D here, out and about, motivated, dedicated, just out with a few of the Backhoe boys. Good little spot this, had a few pieces pulled out of the ground today already, but I thought, bugger, I may as well film one of them for you. So, it's got me a little target, this hole here. I reckon she's sitting pretty close to the top. See if I can't get my camera down for a second, and we'll get this one pulled out. There we go. I don't know, I don't think it's gold. Excuse me while I just clean it up a second. Ironstone. Quartz. Oh, hello. I don't know if you can see that. But that is in fact colour. On the edge of that there. Beautiful. I'll give that a clean up a bit better when I get home, but it's a nice little interesting species that. You can see the quartz there, smothered with ironstone, and the gold. Well, hope you enjoyed that, and I certainly did. Hey Root.